nobody here. I can see that, you dummy. Only people here, apart from us, is the damn goldfish. Forward and back, forward and back, forward and back, forward and back, oh, forward and back, forward and back, forward and back. See, how do you do that? Well, it's obvious, isn't it? I mean, my brain is a human brain bigger than that of a fish. And I just sort of concentrate, and the thoughts go from my mind right away down my arm into the tag, and the fish obeys my every command. Simple. Forward and back, and forward and back. Forward, forward.
Hey, quick, hide behind the sofa.
Will you move your great fat behind the sofa, I say? Will you mind what you do with my body, buddy?
Hey, what are you doing? I'm no criminal. I'm an honest man.
Don't even think it, Buster. Hand that over real slow.
Look, I don't want to move. I don't want no
Now
trouble.
don't quick movements, otherwise there's gonna be blood on the carpet.
Hey, no sweat. No problem. It's okay. Hey! Hey! Here, Goldie, for you!
Gee, thanks.